Hello everyone, I am DK Meena from KB4 Jaipur, and today I am here with a new video of our chapter Shapes and Angle. In this video I am going to tell you about angles. There are different parts of angles, and in this video we will learn about them. After watching this video you will be able to know about the different angles and different parts of angles and different type of angles. So let's begin. So first of all, part of angles. There are some parts of angles. In this picture you can see there are three parts of any type of angle. First is arm. There is arm, and here you can see arm of angles. These are the arm, both arm, there are two arms. And then vertex. What is vertex? This part where two arms join together is called vertex. यानी ये प्लेस आपको जहाँ पे दिख रहा है vertex, and there these two arms join together, it is called vertex. Then angle, and then where two arms join together and inside part, that is inside part is angle, and outside part called vertex and inside part called angle. So these are the parts of angles. Arms, an angle has two arms, vertex, common end point or corner, you can call it corner also. An angle where two arms join together, these two arms are joining together and its inside part is called angle. Now type of angles, there are many type of angles. Number one is acute angle, then right angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle, 0-degree angle and complete angle. These are the 6 type of angles. We are going to learn about this in this video. First we are going to learn about acute angle. So what is an acute angle? An acute angle is an angle that is less than 90 degree. An angle whose measured less than 90 degree, that means 0 degree to 89 degree angle. Between 0 degree to 89 degree angle, any more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. 0 to 89 degree, all angles called acute angle. So here are some acute angles you can see in this picture, and 53 and 153 degree angle, 30 degree angle, 75 degree angle, 45 degree angle, 10 degree angle and 85.5 degree angles. All the angles between 0 degree to 90 degree, that means 0 degree to 89 degree angles are called acute angle. And here are some examples of acute angle. First, letters, any you can see alphabets A, B, C, D. There are 26 alphabets, but some alphabets are there, they make acute angle. Then A, alphabet number A, you can see A, I am writing here A. So it is here, this letter is making an angle and its angle is acute angle. And like this, K, M, N, R, V, W, X or Z, these letters are also making an acute angle. And you can see scissor, you can see there are two parts in scissor, and these two parts of scissors make an acute angle. Then divider, you are also having divider in your geometry box, so it is also making a acute angle. Then your compass is also making acute angle. Then pencil point, your pencil point is also a acute angle. And bicycle spokes are also acute angles, and in these things can make acute angle. There are so many other things which can make acute angle, so you have to find them and learn about them. I think you learned about acute angle. Now next, right angle. and a right angle is 90 degree. That means an angle whose measured exactly 90 degree, not more than 90 degree, not less than 90 degree. It is exactly 90 degree is called right angle. And examples of right angle, first, so you can see in this picture there is a right angle and it is exactly 90 degree. And corners of your room, you can see your corners of your rooms in your house, these rooms are making 90 degree angles. And your book is also making 90 degree angle. Then cube, you see the geometrical shape, cube or cuboid, these are making 90 degree angle. Chessboard corners also makes 90 degree angle. Then alphabets में अब letters you can see E, F, H, I, L or T, these letters makes a 90 degree angle. Then one question can be in your mind, that how these letters make 90 degree angle. So I am giving here one example of E. You can see E. देखिए E letter make more than two right angles. So one angle is here, one, then another is here, then another that side, then another that side, and 1, 2, 3 or 4 angles. E makes 4 90 degree angle, that means right angles. Okay, so these letters can make more than one angles, so you have to find them according to letters. Now badminton court, you can see badminton court, it is also makes 90 degree angle, that means its corners make 90 degree angle. Then hockey field also make 90 degree angle. Lawn tennis courts, it is also make 90 degree angles. And you can see your windows and your bed and many other things are there, table, it is also make 90 degree angle, that is or and any other things you can say, your chalk box, or there are so many items at your home or in your bag also, you have to find them and make a list of things which make 90 degree angle, that is a right angle. Then next, obtuse angle. An obtuse angle whose measure is more than right angle, that means more than right angle, right angle is 90 degree, then more than right angle, that means more than 90 degree, and less than 180 degree is known as obtuse angle. That means an angle whose measures between 91 degree to 170 90 degree, that means an angle more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, and 91 degree to 179 degrees angles, all angles are obtuse angle. You can see in this picture there are some examples of obtuse angle, and all the angles from 91 degree to 179 degrees, all angles are obtuse angle. You can see your fan blades of ceiling fan, there is a fan, these blades are making more than 90 degree angle, that is obtuse angle. And clock showing 8 o'clock, and when the clock showing 8 o'clock, it's make obtuse angle. So there are some obtuse angles example: 130 degree angle, 116 degree angle, 112 degree, 105 degree, 94 degree, and 168 degree, and 91 degree also is obtuse angle. So these are the examples of obtuse angle. You have to make the different obtuse angles by using your compass. Now straight angle, and straight angle of 180 degree is known as straight angle. That means an angle whose measure exactly 180 degree, not less than 180 degree, not more than 180 degree, is called straight angle. So you can see in this picture there are some straight angles in different ways. The straight angle is only exactly 180 degree, but I made in different ways. you can make like this. So I think you understand about straight angle. The next, reflex angle. Reflex, that means that opposite angle, it is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. The reflex angle is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So you can make it is opposite side. You can you will make this angle in opposite side of the line. So there are some examples of reflex angle, and in more than 180 degree, that means 81 degree to 359 degrees, all angles called reflex angle. The next, complete angle. A complete angle is measured exactly 360 degree. That means a circle. You can see in this picture, an angle of 360 degree is known as complete angle. It is complete angle, and there is no more angles behind 360 degree in your syllabus. So this is a complete angle, it is exactly 360 degree. Now I have given all examples in details. Acute angle, an angle that is less than 90 degree, I told you. Then right angle, exactly 90 degree. Obtuse angle, and more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, that means 91 degree to 179 degree, all the angles obtuse angle. The straight angle, exactly 180 degree. Then reflex angle, an angle whose measured more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. Then full angle, exactly 300 degree. So these are the examples of different type of angles, and here is a homework for you. You have to watch this video and complete this work in your notebook. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you.